Jupiter is huge. It's the largest planet in our solar system. Think of the biggest thing you can imagine. Jupiter is even bigger than that. If Earth were a nickel, Jupiter would be like a basketball. That's how much bigger Jupiter is. It's so big that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside of it. Jupiter is a gas giant. It's made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. These are the same gases that make up our Sun. Because Jupiter is so big, it has a very strong gravitational pull. Gravity is like an invisible force that pulls things together. Jupiter's gravity affects everything around it, like the other planets and asteroids. It's like Jupiter is the king of the solar system, keeping everything in line. Even though Jupiter is far away from us, its gravity still affects Earth a little bit. It's amazing how something so far away can still have an impact. Jupiter is like a giant shield for Earth. It protects us from dangerous objects in space like comets and asteroids. Remember Jupiter's strong gravity? It can pull these space objects towards it, preventing them from hitting Earth. Scientists believe that Jupiter has helped to make our solar system a safer place for life to form and evolve. Without Jupiter, Earth might have been hit by many more asteroids and comets. Thanks, Jupiter. Jupiter's gravity also helps to keep the other planets in our solar system in stable orbits. An orbit is like a path that a planet takes around the Sun. Jupiter's gravity helps to keep these paths from changing too much over time. This is important because it keeps the planets from crashing into each other. It's like a delicate dance, with Jupiter playing a key role in keeping everything in sync. Jupiter is a very stormy planet. It has giant storms that are much bigger than any storm on Earth. One of these storms, called the Great Red Spot, has been raging for hundreds of years. It's so big that you could fit 3 Earths inside of it. The Great Red Spot is a giant hurricane-like storm with winds that blow at hundreds of miles per hour. It's a reminder of just how powerful nature can be. Jupiter has a lot of moons. In fact, it has more moons than any other planet in our solar system. Scientists have discovered over 79 moons orbiting Jupiter. Some of these moons are very interesting and might even have the potential for life. One of Jupiter's moons, Europa, is covered in ice. Scientists believe that there might be a vast ocean of liquid water underneath the ice. Section 7. Exploring the mysteries of Jupiter's atmosphere. Jupiter's atmosphere is full of colorful clouds and swirling storms. Scientists have been studying Jupiter's atmosphere for many years, but it still holds many mysteries. The planet's atmosphere is a complex and dynamic system, with powerful winds and massive storms that can last for centuries. One of the most famous features of Jupiter's atmosphere is the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that has been raging for at least 400 years. This storm is so large that it could easily swallow Earth whole. For example, scientists are still trying to understand what gives Jupiter its distinctive stripes and swirls. These bands of clouds are created by the planet's rapid rotation, which causes the atmosphere to form into belts and zones. The exact mechanisms behind these patterns are still not fully understood, and researchers are using both ground-based telescopes and space missions to gather more data. They're also trying to learn more about the chemical composition of Jupiter's atmosphere. The atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, but it also contains trace amounts of other elements and compounds, such as methane, ammonia, and water vapor. By analyzing the light that passes through Jupiter's atmosphere, scientists can determine the presence and abundance of these chemicals, which can provide clues about the planet's formation and history. By studying Jupiter's atmosphere, scientists can learn more about the formation and evolution of gas giants like Jupiter. Understanding the processes that shape these massive planets can also shed light on the formation of our own solar system and the potential for similar planets to exist around other stars. The study of Jupiter's atmosphere is not just about understanding one planet, but about unlocking the secrets of planetary science and the universe as a whole. Section 8. Life on Jupiter's moons. One of the most exciting things about Jupiter's moons is the possibility that they might harbor life. Scientists believe that Europa, in particular, might have the right conditions for life to exist. Europa has a subsurface ocean that is thought to be salty and potentially contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. This ocean is thought to be heated by tidal forces from Jupiter, creating a potential habitat for life. While we haven't found any evidence of life on Europa yet, it remains a tantalizing possibility that scientists are eager to explore further. Europa, one of Jupiter's largest moons, has long fascinated scientists and astronomers alike. Its icy surface, marked by a complex network of cracks and streaks, hints at the dynamic processes occurring beneath. The idea that an ocean lies beneath Europa's frozen crust is supported by data from various missions, including the Galileo spacecraft, which orbited Jupiter in the 1990s. This subsurface ocean is believed to be in contact with the moon's rocky mantle, potentially allowing for chemical interactions that could support life. The presence of a salty ocean beneath Europa's ice is particularly intriguing. On Earth, salty water is a key ingredient for life, providing a medium for biochemical reactions. The salt in Europa's ocean might come from minerals leaching out of the moon's rocky interior, similar to how Earth's oceans are salty due to the dissolution of minerals from the crust. This raises the possibility that Europa's ocean could harbor microbial life, similar to extremophiles found in Earth's deep oceans and hydrothermal vents. Tidal forces from Jupiter play a crucial role in maintaining this subsurface ocean. As Europa orbits Jupiter, the immense gravitational pull of the gas giant causes the moon to flex and stretch. This tidal flexing generates heat through friction, preventing the ocean from freezing solid. This process, known as tidal heating, creates a stable environment where liquid water can persist, potentially for billions of years. Exploring Europa's potential for life is a high priority for scientists. Future missions, such as NASA's Europa Clipper, aim to investigate the moon's ice shell and subsurface ocean in greater detail. The Europa Clipper will carry a suite of scientific instruments designed to study the moon's surface and subsurface, searching for signs of habitability and potential biosignatures. By analyzing the composition of Europa's ice and the properties of its ocean, scientists hope to gain insights into the moon's potential to support life. While the search for life on Europa is still in its early stages, the moon remains one of the most promising places in our solar system to find extraterrestrial life. The discovery of even the simplest forms of life on Europa would have profound implications for our understanding of life's potential beyond Earth. It would suggest that life could arise in a variety of environments, expanding the possibilities for finding life elsewhere in the universe. As we continue to explore Europa and other icy moons of Jupiter, we move closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Section 9. Unraveling the secrets of our solar system. By studying Jupiter, scientists can learn more about the formation and evolution of our solar system. Jupiter is like a time capsule, preserving clues about the early solar system. For example, by studying the composition of Jupiter's atmosphere, scientists can learn more about the materials that were present in the early solar system. This information can help us to understand how our own planet formed and evolved. Section 10. Jupiter, a source of wonder and inspiration. Jupiter is a source of wonder and inspiration for people all over the world. From ancient civilizations who named it after their gods to modern-day astronomers who study its mysteries, Jupiter has always held a special place in our collective imagination. Its immense size, powerful storms, and dynamic atmosphere make it a subject of endless fascination. The Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth, has been raging for centuries, captivating scientists and enthusiasts alike. And then there are its intriguing moons, like Europa with its icy surface and potential subsurface ocean, or Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. These moons capture our imaginations and fuel our dreams of discovering life beyond Earth. They remind us of the vastness and beauty of the universe and our place within it. The sheer scale of Jupiter and its moons makes us ponder the enormity of space and the countless possibilities it holds. The bands of clouds that wrap around Jupiter are not just visually stunning, they are a testament to the complex and dynamic processes at work in our solar system. Each band tells a story of atmospheric currents and chemical compositions. Whether we're gazing at it through a telescope in our backyard or attending a public stargazing event, the sight of Jupiter brings people together. It fosters a sense of community and shared curiosity. Marveling at images from spacecraft like Juno, which has provided us with unprecedented views of Jupiter, we are reminded of the incredible advancements in technology that allow us to explore distant worlds. These images not only fascinate us, but also inspire future generations of scientists and explorers. Scientists and astronomers tirelessly work to decode the secrets of Jupiter, analyzing data and sharing their findings with the world. Their dedication and passion are a testament to human curiosity and our desire to understand the cosmos. Jupiter is a reminder that there's still so much out there to discover and explore. Each new discovery about this giant planet opens up more questions and possibilities, driving us to look deeper into the universe. As we continue to explore Jupiter and its moons, we are not just learning about a distant planet, we are also learning about ourselves and our place in the universe. The journey of discovery is ongoing, and Jupiter remains a beacon of wonder and inspiration for all of humanity.